Hello children, how are you? Okay, our tu- okay children, now tell me, when you look at the birds, what do you think about them? How do they fly and how do they balance themselves on those wires? But do you know children, what they think about us? Do you think birds find people funny? Let's listen to what the robin and the jay have to say. So, can we start? Yes. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So, this is our poem Bird Talk. What the two birds are talking about the people, what they think about us. So, now children, go to the question answer part of the poem. Let's start. So, here question 1, name the two birds in the poem. So, answer is the two birds in the poem are robin and, yes, correct, jay. What were the birds' name? Robin and jay. Next question. Yes. What are the three things that people cannot do? And answer is people cannot grow wings, they cannot eat beetles, and they don't sit on wires. So, it is the answer. Now, move to question number 3. Here it is. What do birds think of people? The birds think that people are funny. They think about us that we are funny. Okay, now let's make some sentences. Now write 4 sentences on birds using the following given words. And words are nest, water, fly, sky and wings. Okay children, these are the words. Now we are going to make sentences. So, first sentence is, we can make birds live in nests. Okay. Second, they have wings to fly. They have wings to fly. Sentence 3, they fly high in the sky. They fly high in the sky. And last one, they drink water whenever they feel thirsty. They drink water whenever they feel thirsty. Okay children, so now let's do some rhyming words. Okay, do you know what are rhyming words? Okay, as you can see here, they all have same ending sound. They have all same ending sound in the last. Okay, so let's start. What is the rhyming word for grow? It is throw. Day, way. Thing, sing. With the same ending sound I-N-K. Thing rhymes with sing. Next, funny rhymes with sunny. Eat, neat. Sing, king. These are the rhyming words. Okay, children? Thank you. It's all for today. For more videos, for more video lessons in English, go to my channel. Thank you.